Hello friends, welcome to Traders Hub channel. Before we start our stock analysis for tomorrow, one of our subscriber asked about Chola Finance. He bought the 540 call option at 19 rupees, so he want to know about the details of what will happen. So as per my understanding, in the hourly chart also it looks a bit weaker. So as per the 5-minute chart, what we can see tomorrow above 534, we can see immediate target of 540. So if it is not crossing this, you can exit your position, and also your stop loss, maybe you can keep this stop loss. If it is closing below 526, then there is a good chance the stock may go down very much. If you see daily chart also, it's a lot of congestions here. So it's above 540 only, you can expect a good move in this stock, but you can see tomorrow because of today US market rally. There is a good, if any chance, if it is breaking this, still this low is not broken. So it's a good, if it is breaking this high, then you can see the good move towards 576 also. So you should watch 526 as a watch area, and it should not close below in 5 minutes. That's it. Okay, let's start our stock analysis for tomorrow, 18th of March 2021. Let's start with the Nifty. Nifty, if it is breaking today's low of 14,741, we can still expect the downside move around 14,641 and 14,520 level. And tomorrow, 14,884 to 882.7 act as a strong resistance for Nifty, since both the reference price and the square number both are coinciding. So it's very, if it is any gap up opening, you should watch this level for short, and you can expect again back to this trend line as a target. Or if it is breaking today's low, then you can see further downside in the market. So as I mentioned, markets are looks weak. We can also see 13,700 also as a target very soon. And then we move to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, if it is breaking today's low, we can consider as a 34,225. Below we can see 33,856, and there is a gap in the hourly chart, 33 um, 485. So it may stop, it may come until here. If it is breaking, then we can expect until 32,900 level, 800 to 9. So the zone is 32,500 to 32,900 zone. It may come until this level. So I am still bearish on Bank Nifty from last 2 days. Okay, then we move to stocks. I have shortlisted Asian Paints, Balkrishna Industry, um, Eicher Motors, Grasim, Tata Chemicals, HDFC, ICICI Bank, Infi, JSW Steel, L&T, and VDL for tomorrow. Okay, we can see until Tata Chemicals, it's for the long side, I prefer. Until here, we can look for the short side. Okay, let's start with Asian Paints. Asian Paints, let's move to 5-minute chart. 5-minute chart, what we can expect tomorrow above 2438.45, we can see the target of 2450, and next towards this area around 2470 to 75. If it is breaking and going up, then we can see until 2500 level. If the stock breaking the lower side 2411, then we can see the immediate target of 2401. And if it is sustained below this area, then we can also until the gap filling area until 2358 level. So next stock is Balkrishna. Balkrishna, we can mark the two levels above the midpoint. 1642, we can see the upside until 1650 is 55. If it is breaking above, then only we can see this 1681 level. If the stock breaks the lower side 1622, we can see the target until 1600 level. And also next target is 1590. If it is breaking the lower side this level, then we can see the next target towards the 1580 to 75 level and 1560. The next stock is Eicher Motor. Eicher Motor showing bit strength, and it is also closed above the reference price on the midpoint. So my expectation is tomorrow above 2667. Then we can see target until 2707 level. I will only look for the long side in Eicher Motors. The next stock is Grasim. Grasim, it is consolidating near to the square number 1369. So just I marked both the side because since it's close just below 10 paisa below the square number, so we can't look for only the long. We can also look for the short side. So what we can see above 1379.5, we can see the target until 1390 to 95 and 1406. If the stock breaks the lower side 1361, we can see the target of 1348 to 50 level. If it is breaking, then we can also see 1332.5 level. The next stock is Tata Chemicals. Tata Chemicals today it had a very good sell-off, but it is just taken a support at the square number 729, and also there is a um, demand zone is located here. So what we can expect, if any, just go to the 5-minute chart and look for the swing formation. If there is any swing, and if breaking the swing high, we can see the target until 756. Since this act as a strong resistance, because the midpoint and the reference price both are coinciding together, so it may stop here. Yeah, for tomorrow. The next stock is HDFC. HDFC, it is just consolidating near to the reference price. My expectation is tomorrow above 2542. We can see the target of 2550, and if it is sustained above 2555, we can see further targets towards 2570, 60, and until 2601 level. The next stock for the short side is ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank looks very weak. So any pullback rally towards 596 to 600.5, take the short. The target towards 57, sorry, 576 until the gap 540 level as a positional. The next stock for the short side is Infi. Infi, what we can expect tomorrow below 1380, we can see the target of 13. We can see that our first target is 1373 and 1369. If it is sustained below, then we can see the further downside target towards 1560 level. The next stock for tomorrow is JSW Steel. So it is, since it is stopping with the midpoint, I'm don't take the short side. I'm look for the either side. So what we can expect above 424.6, we can see the target of 428 and 432. If it is breaking the lower side, then we can see the target towards 414, 410, and also until 405 level for this stock. Then next stock is L&T. L&T, we see the hourly chart. Um, I I think that it is just stopped with this zone. It means that if it is coming out of the zone, then we can expect a very good move in this stock. We can move to the 5-minute chart for the long. I'm only looking for the long side in this stock. So above 1447, we can see the target of 1460, and if it is sustained above, then we can also see it act as a strong resistance. Suppose it is sustained above, and form a swing and it breaking up, then we can see the target until 1474, 1482.5. Then next stock for the short side is VEDL, like Vedanta. Vedanta, it is just consolidating here and it looks very weak in hourly chart. So you can take the positional short also in this stock. So, but for the intraday, what we can see below 221, we can see the target until first target towards here for 218, 214, and until 210 level for this stock. But positionally, we can see the if we can see the first support is around this area. If it is breaking, then we can see 201 level for as a positional target. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching. If you like my video and it is useful for your trading, please like, subscribe. And if you have any queries, please comment on the comment section. And if you made profit also, please comment on the comment section so that it will encourage me to do videos. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you then. Bye.